Hello everyone and welcome in this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install JAWS 18 on your computer. JAWS is a screen reader that helps for people who are visual impairment or who are blind can access these devices more independently. So let's turn everything on. I'm using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt N.
Taskbar.
Now I will open File Explorer.
File Explorer.
And I'll press D for
Download.
download.
View list. Last month J. Selected. Last J18.0.
So here is JAWS. So I will exit NVDA. So here's a user account control for JAWS. So I will use yes.
Welcome to JAWS, Job Access with Speech. Press Enter to begin the installation, or press Escape to cancel.
Okay, so now the talking installer is saying welcome to JAWS. So it says press Enter to begin the installation or press Escape to cancel. So I'll press Enter. You can hear the clicks.
JAWS install dialog. Welcome to the JAWS 18.0 set of wizard list.
Okay, so you can hear the JAWS talking to us. So it asks to install JAWS 18 on your computer. So I'll press tab to find next.
Tab, cancel tab, next button, space, JAWS install dialog, add-user license agreement, I accept.
Okay, so it asks, I accept the license agreement. I'll make the checkbox checked.
Space checked.
And then
Tab, read only edit.
I'll press that to find the next button.
Space, JAWS install dialog, choose setup type, typical button.
Okay, so there's two setup types. So there's typical, it will install the most program.
Tab, custom button in addition to the typical.
And custom in addition to typical thing. So I'll choose
Back button, tab, custom, tab, typical. Installs the enter, JAWS install dialog, ready to install, choose install to begin the installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, choose back. Alternatively, choose cancel to exit the setup wizard, install button.
Okay, so there's an install button and a cancel button, so I'll press install.
JAWS install dialog, installing JAWS 18.0, please wait while the setup wizard installs JAWS. This may take several minutes. Status cancel button, status validating install 0%, 100%. Status writing system registry values 70%, 100%. JAWS install dialog, JAWS 18.0 has been successfully installed. Choose.
Okay, so it is successfully installed, so I'll press the spacebar. Sorry.
Narrator window. Start narrator heading. Start window. Search. J. Suggestions available. Crack K JAWS 20. New JAWS activation dialog. Update authorization.
Okay, so now it's finished. Restart your computer. So I will exit the
Tab, activation help button to tab, continue to run in 40 minutes.
I'll press escape.
Escape, file explorer, view mode, escape. Search box edit, type of text.
Okay, so I will turn JAWS off.
JAWS, with JAWS tab, cancel tab, open space, file explorer, view.
And I'll turn JAWS on and see what happens.
Professional File Explorer JAWS activation dialog.
Okay, so now it asks to do the JAWS activation, and it asks to update your authorization and something, but I will do it on my next video. I'm show you how to do that. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and in my next video I will show you how to update your authorization and how to activate in JAWS to not run in 40-minute mode. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.